How to remove suggestions from YouTube search bar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on search button at the top right corner of your screen. Search also plays a big role in your suggestions, so if you want to delete from here, hold on to the search and press on remove. After that, it will be removed. Another way what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is you. In here, click on Google account, which will open this page. In here, click on data and privacy. In data and privacy, scroll down to YouTube history and click on YouTube history. In here, scroll down and go to manage history. As I told you, history plays a big role. So if you want specific suggestions to be removed, simply press on cross sign or simply press on delete at the top, which will delete everything. As you can set time or delete all the time. If you delete all, your suggestions will be removed all. And this is how to remove suggestions from YouTube search bar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.